Assalamualaikum, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back with me. I'm Kartina Abdegani, okay, with Apps Master Builder, and welcome back. Alright, I'm gonna share. Yesterday we had a request about how to create a commerce app using our app builder, so I'm going to share that today. But hang on for a while. Let me see whether we are live. Okay, let me go in via this laptop. Give me 2 minutes. I just want to make sure that all are up. Alright, that's great. Okay, we are live. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Okay, and as you know, we are from appsmasterbuilder.com, and we have a platform, we have a system. And let me just put this on silent. Okay, we have a system that allows our users and a complete newbie person who majority all of us are like that, do not know any coding required, but are able to create their own mobile apps in record time. Alright, but of course, ladies and gentlemen, when you first started using it, you will take a bit more time, but eventually you will be able to learn and you will be able to do it a bit more faster. Okay, so let me proceed. Okay, so we have started our program since 2013, and all this while we have been doing physical class. And since COVID 2019 last year in March, where we had our MCO, a lot of people are not able to actually attend our class and are requesting for me to actually do it online. So because of that, okay, let me just because of that, we have launched our online program since March, and we had many people all around Malaysia, and also we do have people from overseas and so on starting to join our program. Okay, so let me share a bit more. Okay, so today, ladies and gentlemen, what we want to share with all of you is that whether you are able to actually prove concept that you are actually able to build apps without any coding required. So we are going live into our system shortly. And yesterday when we did our live in Bahasa Malaysia, there is a request to show how to actually create apps, okay, using a Commerce Pro, whether we could actually build similar like Lazada or Shopee. Okay, if you were to build this kind of app, it's gonna be very expensive. Okay, but I'm gonna show you now whereby we have a platform that you could build similar like Lazada and Shopee. Alright, it could be just your own store, or you could also be a store that there will be other vendors, okay, going into, and you can approve them, and or you can make them with in mana you can either approve them, mana they submit, you must approve, or they submit and then the shop is on the store already. But my suggestion is please approve, ladies and gentlemen, don't let it auto approve. But then again, it's your choice. And we are going to show you that they are already apps. Okay, we don't want to say that okay, come build, and there's never been an app being published using our system. So I'm going to show you 2 apps whereby you can download those apps. And what is interesting about one of these apps, ladies and gentlemen, that the owner of the app actually managed to get a startup fund. Okay, a startup fund of 100,000, and it is amazed. I'm amazed because for me, we have a system, we teach people to create apps, and at the end of the day, everybody has their own ball game, their own ways of doing business. Okay, we have people coming for business app, we have people coming to build app for passive income, but this guy is amazing. Okay, he goes using our platform and get startup fund, and he managed to get 100,000 to actually build apps non-coding. Okay, and wow, that for me is amazing, and that proved the concept. Okay, and we would like to have more people to actually do that. Okay, so in order to build an app similar like Lazada and Shopee, ladies and gentlemen, we gonna use 3 feature pages. Okay, which is first and foremost is the Commerce Pro page. Okay, which is this one. Okay, this is a Commerce Pro page, and this is a marketplace module, and this is a this is a social network. Okay, what is the difference of these 3? Okay, Commerce Pro is the store. Okay, that is the main store, and you as a developer, you control everything. Okay, you can even actually create the categories. Actually, not you can, you must create the categories so that you are able to control what type of item, product going into your marketplace. Okay, then the marketplace module is to allow vendors to come in and put in their product into your app. Okay, the social network is very straightforward. Is if you want to allow your vendor to actually communicate with the potential buyers. Okay, so if there is any question, ladies and gentlemen, please do ask. Okay, let me see. Okay, all right. If you have any question, just ask. Now let's go into our app builder. Okay, so let me just go in now. All right, where is it? Okay. Okay, so this is our main website, ladies and gentlemen. We are working from appsmasterbuilder.com. Alright, so in order to log in, you can see AMB server, and we do have AMB Academy, but it's only for members. Okay, if you click here, alright, but I have already actually logged in, there's no sign up button. Okay, there's no sign up button. Only members are allowed to go in. Okay, so I have actually open up. Okay, before we go there, okay, for those people who would like to know what we have in our builder, ladies and gentlemen, we have more than 100 features. Okay, these are our basic features. Okay, these are our basic features. Okay, all right, and okay, this is all the e-commerce, the videos, manual, the custom page, tips, push notification, and these are our advanced feature pages, which from appointment, surveys, quiz, chatting, okay, nearby places, games. There's so many, so we are not going into detail one by one. Okay, but if you would like to actually know more about what we have in our platform, all right, you can go into my YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Okay, and you can just search Kartina Abdugani. Okay, and let us see the videos. Okay, let me just put here the channels, the videos. Okay, so let me see. Okay, if you would like to know the features that we have, which video that you should go in. Okay, yeah, is this one. All right, this is the video that you should go in. Type of mobile app that we can build. Okay, this is the video. Alright, so please do check this video to know all the feature pages that we have here. But I did that actually middle of towards the end of last year. We actually have more feature pages, and Commerce Pro is actually not in that video. Alright, so we are going to use, okay, Commerce Pro, Marketplace, and Social Network to show you how to build your own similar Lazada and Shopee. Alright, so let's go into our app builder. Alright, I hope all of you are able to see this. Let me check. Alright, okay. Alright, so now what we do is we actually click this, create a new application. So I'm going to put here, say Kartina Marketplace. Okay, Kartina Marketplace, and click create. Hopefully internet line is kind to me today, okay, because it has been raining for the past few days, and we have certain part of the country that's having some flood around. Okay, alright, so we are into the app builder now, and we have basically created an app, and the templates are here. Okay, let's select our find the coffee one. Where's the coffee? Yeah, alright, so I don't want this dark coffee. Okay. So all these you can, let me just take the dark coffee. Okay, alright. Okay, so I'm going, alright. Okay, so if you were to create a marketplace, ladies and gentlemen, I always tell my participants to actually find a niche. Okay, you will not be able to copy. They are just too big, too powerful. Find your own niche. Okay, for example, specialty coffee marketplace, training marketplace, wherever you are in the business. Our e-commerce could also be restaurant. Okay, it could also be a restaurant. It's a combination of food and also normal one, so it's up to you. Okay, so now we basically have selected a template, alright, but please do remember, before publishing, ladies and gentlemen, all the icon and all these images we need to change. Okay, all these images we need to change, but for us now, we want to show you on how to create the marketplace. So what we are going to use, okay, we are going to go to features. We are selecting, today I'm showing you selecting from template, so there are a lot of things here already. Okay, and okay, so we have Commerce Pro here. Okay, I don't want to use the old commerce. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Okay, we're going to use Commerce Pro, and I'm going to take out the catalog. I don't want the catalog. Alright, I'm going to now choose a marketplace. Okay, and I'm going to choose, okay, hang on, I'm going to choose social network. Okay, okay, so we are going to show you features. All right, so this is my account. We're going to put, okay, oh, okay, let me just take out certain things here. Okay, so that we can see all the three here. Okay, all right, and let's take out the okay, so we have here Commerce Pro, Marketplace, and Social Network. Okay, so now let's go and okay, so this is Commerce Pro. Alright, and we are going to create our first store. So I'm going to create plus here, and let's see what is the timing now. If you have any question, please do ask here so that I can see. InsyaAllah, Cik Zakaria. Alright, okay, so store name, let me just put here Kartina Store. Okay, city in Kuala Lumpur, country Malaysia, phone number. Okay, hours of operation, we're going to start from 9 o'clock to, it can be 24 hours. So I'm just going to put like that. Okay, emails, we're going to put here support at appsmasterbuilder.com. Street, just put here Desa Melawati. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please do remember Google terms and condition. When you do e-commerce apps, you must put full. Even if you are doing online, you don't have a physical shop, but you must put full. Okay, that is requirement. Okay, so let me just put here Ribu. All right. Okay, so this is subtitle. We are not going to do that. Okay, we can actually. Okay, we want to have the store on the map. Okay, we need schedule the timing. Okay, I'm going to make it so that we can do fast. I'm going to just put 9. Okay, 9, and then close will be alright. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to put 9. Okay, because there's delivery, ladies and gentlemen. This is e-commerce. Your shop must open, so we have to set that. Okay. Okay, today a little bit longer for me to do this demonstration. If you have any question, can ask in bahasa Malaysia pun boleh. Alright, okay. Sama-sama, siapa tu? Farina. Come, let's do marketplace. Okay. Done. Yes, done. This is something a lot of people ask me. Okay, so this is how we can help our friend. So this is Monday, Tuesday. The good thing about apps, ladies and gentlemen, is that even if you don't have the business, you can create apps. Because why? Okay, you look at, like for example, Uber. Uber doesn't own the cars. Okay, Uber doesn't organize basically getting the passengers and so on, but the app is the one that is doing everything. So you do not need to own the business, but you can be a service to the business. Okay, and those people, you can do this. Okay, so we have add a schedule. Alright, so we're going to put draft first. Only when everything is set, then we can publish it. Because one thing about our app builder is that it can sync automatically, but this app is not yet published to the store. But if it is published to the store, whatever changes we make, it can sync automatically. So that's why we put it, we have an option to put it for draft. Okay, so required date and time delivery, required them to, of course. Okay, and we can put here. Okay, I'm not going to put. Okay, so here, hi Shuk. Okay, we are doing Commerce Pro. Okay, so please follow. Okay, you must set a Google Map API. Okay, so with that, alright, I did not yet put. Okay, let me just go down and save first here. Okay, so this is the tax rate. Okay, we need, okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, programmer has set it. There are certain things that programmer has set it. So this tax rate, we have to put something here. Okay, but then after that, we can override inside in the setting. Okay, so I'm going to save first. Alright, okay, hang on, let me just put that. Is there anywhere that I haven't put yet? Hang on. Okay, alright. Okay, let's just leave that first. Let me just put in the Google Map API first. Okay, alright, so let me go to setting, KPI keys. Sometimes it's just like that. Okay, I'm going to leave that as it is. Okay, so I'm going to put in the Google Map API. I'm going to delete that page, and then we're going to create back. Okay, so I'm going back to editor, I'm going back to features. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, the unknown error comes out from time to time because of internet line. So my internet line is not so good today. Okay, alright, so let me refresh back the page. Okay, and that's gone. Okay, let me just select the Commerce Pro again. Okay, we are not doing coding, but sometimes there are certain things that actually create it. It has some issues, so we just delete and put it back again. Don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to put ni kita punya builder, nama dia Apps Master Builder. Boleh check kita punya website. Alright, so I'm going to put here Kartina Store. Okay, City Kuala Lumpur. We're just going to do a sample, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Malaysia. Email support at appsmasterbuilder.com. Street Desa Melawati. Phone number 609. So we're going to put operation. Okay, postcode 68,000. Okay, subtitle. Okay, and we're gonna set schedule back. Timing done. Schedule. Okay, let's do just until Friday. Okay, we close shop on Saturday, Sunday because I don't want to waste time. Another 2 more. What's that error? Hang on. Mana ada? appsmasterbuilder.com. appsmasterbuilder.com. Make sure address betul-betul. Kalau WhatsApp error saya pun tak boleh masuk. Alright. Check your spelling. Siapa tu? Encik apa tadi? Encik Hafiz. Apps Master Builder. APPS Master Builder.com. Okay. So draft. Okay, required. Okay, sekarang dah boleh buat. So just now when we put the Google Map API, then we can do the delivery. So we can put here deliveries fees. Alright, so say kita set 15. Okay, free shipping daripada katakan 15 km radius. Okay, kita boleh set tu. Okay, delivery radius in kilometer. Semua ni kita kena set. So shipping, delivery, okay, kilometer. Say kita buat delivery 100, radius 100 km, delay katakan 15 minit. Okay, minimum mana boleh 15 minit, 15 minutes is ni. So let's put in minutes. Okay, we put here 20 minutes. Minimum order amount for free delivery, say we say 100. Okay, and we need to add the area. Okay, so we can put here area 1. Okay, after the first 15 kilometer, okay, we're going to charge them. Say the next 30 kilometer, this is what, 20. Okay, then area 2. So the next 30 kilometer, okay, we charge them another, say another 20. Okay, so that makes this much more easier. We say first 30, no, first 10. Okay, then we add on another, say. So all these you need to set. Okay, So that's 100 kilometer. Okay, so that's another 20. Okay, appsmasterbuilder.com ni, appsmasterbuilder.com. Okay, Hafiz, appsmasterbuilder.com. However, we don't allow, kita tak allow free usage, so you cannot sign up. So you can see my video YouTube Katina Abdul Ghani. There's a lot of sample kat sini. Alright, ini saya punya. Okay, Builder ni we share that in our training. Okay, so kita boleh set PayPal, Malaysian payment gateway pun kita ada bill please. Okay, and credit card, this one is this is pay upon pickup. Yang ini is to check out. Okay, and it's up to you. You can set this. Okay, so we are not going to set this first. Okay, alright. Okay, I'm going to put here 20 and save. Alright, so done. Okay, so just now, ladies and gentlemen, I have demonstrated that I had some issues when I was trying to set the text. So what do? We just delete. There's no coding required, ladies and gentlemen. So delete and we create again, and I have saved it, and there's no issue. Okay, but then we need to do other settings. So we are going here first. Okay, so now we will set. Okay, this phone number, do we require our users to put in? Okay, we can put it as optional, we can put it as mandatory. Okay, so let's put it as optional. VAT we don't have. Okay, so we can just put that as optional. New store sign up status. Okay, so let's put this as publish. Okay, because or not I cannot show you the marketplace shortly. Okay, is shopping cart enable? Yes. Oh, high price? No high price. Okay, taxes in price. Okay, let's enable that. Okay, do we want to allow chat with our users? Yes. Okay, so how would users see? Is it in category, product, or in store list? Okay, so let's put that in product. Okay, stock, meaning that here, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually create your stock. Okay, so and if your stock say 100, then in between you are finishing it. Do you want the order after 100 finish? Maknanya they cannot order anymore. Or you put it as optional, people can continue to order. And so I'm going to put this as optional. Or if you worry, you can put all this you set your own. Okay, birthday, okay, this is optional. Because we have a birthday, we have a page called Mega Birthday that we can give gift. Alright, so that's why we put that birthday. Okay, invoicing, okay, delivery address, mandatory. Okay, payment gateway, so we are going to do multi-vendor. Alright, and also direct transfer to store. Okay, so this is Katina store. Okay, global format. Okay, so these are texts that we can change. Okay, because if you want to do in Bahasa Malaysia, okay, you can actually put in so that this will translate. This is a translation basically. You want to do in Arabic, you want to do in Mandarin, you want to do in Tamil, this is where you can change. You as a developer can change. Okay, dah boleh dah. Right, good. Okay, so alright, okay, alright, okay, so okay. Alright, okay, let's just we are doing all the important setting. Alright, then we go down. Okay, let me put here support@gmail.com. Yeah, you can have a printer so that all the order can come out, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we show search, yeah, save. Okay, can order tip. Okay, tip if you are doing as a restaurant. So we are not going to do as a restaurant, so we are not going to put tip. Permit unregistered, no. Okay, we want them to register, and this is where you set the text. Alright, just now we have put text in front we have to put a text. So here, if you have no text, you just put here no text. If you are still new entrepreneur, you do not need to pay for text, so we are going to put there no text and click OK. Okay, so say you have a text, you can actually put in another text if you have. Alright, so say now we have XST. Because some of our vendors, they may not need to put text, some of them may need to put text, so we just create this. Okay, so done. Okay, so basically we have done the setting. Now we need to put in the product. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is store category. We can also create store category. Okay, so what are the titles for the store? Okay, or you can just put in your own product. Okay, this is our own product. But before you do this, okay, so let's put in a store category. So let's put what? I'm doing coffee, right? Okay, so let's put in a niche American coffee. Okay, so we just put in some wording here and put icon. So I'm not going to put, I'm going to put okay. I'm going to put another coffee. What coffee? Let's put here Indonesia coffee. Okay, click OK. Okay, let's put another Spanish coffee. Okay. Okay. So now let's put in our product. Okay, so my product name is say American one. Okay. Sedap. Okay, let's put in. So this is the text. So we have two texts. So 20% or 20% is the one original in front. So say no text. So we choose this. Okay, what is the price? Okay, available stock. Okay, say we have 100. Okay, minimum order must be 2. Okay, maximum order we have no limit. Okay, okay, choose store, Katina store, and we can put a picture. Say I just put a picture. What picture do I want to put here? Okay, I don't have a coffee picture. So let's just put a just put in. Okay. Alright, so let me just click OK here first. Alright, so let me just put categories here. Okay, Katina store, and we're going to put in, this is my store. Okay, so I'm going to put the Americano. Okay, then after that I'm going to put in the Indonesia, Spanish. We can do subcategory also, but we're going to do just standard. Alright, then I'm going to go back to my product. I'm going to go back here and I must link this. Okay, alright, let me just save first. Okay, let me just save first. Okay, and let me put another product. Okay, it's already in the product. Okay, let me put here Indo apa tu? Kopi luwak kopi luwak Indonesia. Okay, just put in sangat sedap. Okay, So same thing, no tax. Then we have 100, minimum order 2, maximum order. Okay, I'm going to put another picture here. What picture? I don't have. I'm so sorry, I don't have copy picture, so I'm just going to put any picture. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is Indonesia. Alright, and okay, so we basically have created 2 products and it's under 2 category. But I want to show you here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here we have product option, meaning that here, okay, you can also do for restaurant, order pizza, so you can have sauces, mayonnaise and so on. Alright, so they can actually create new things and so on, but we are not going to do for food. But the Commerce Pro is not only just for physical product, okay, physical product, but it could also be like pizza, pasta, or whatever it is, and people could also select like spaghetti meatball, 1 bowl, or they could also select spaghetti meatball, then have additional item inside there. Okay, the Commerce Pro allows for that. Okay, so now we have done that. Okay, now let's go to Marketplace. Okay, so link to this Commerce Pro doesn't look professional, so I'm going to go back to Commerce Pro and I'm going to change this page name to Kartina Store. Okay, alright, the page name automatically, okay, it will come. Okay, so now, yeah, so it's linked to Kartina Store, so we can put a description. This niche specialty coffee store. Okay, so tax for store, tax for orders, tax for product, these are actually translation. Okay, if you want to do in Bahasa Malaysia, you want to do in Mandarin, you want to do Arabic, Tamil, this is where you type here. Okay, enable store creation, yes, we want to enable. Store creation is disabled. Okay, no. Okay, QR code. Okay, here. Okay, just click save. Okay, we click save. Alright. Okay, let me go back to the store. Did I in the link? Hang on, setting. Did I? Okay, yes. Our social network. Social network is like a Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. It's like a Facebook, but we can also put this so that it will link to the marketplace so that user and vendor can talk. So I'm going to put email here, support@appsmasterbuilder.com. Okay, so all this, alright, all this you can just, okay, text, alright, okay, just click save. Because if you don't put the email, then it doesn't work. Okay, so how do we check? How do we check these? Okay, let me just go to modules and we go to device preview. Let's see whether there's any question. If you have any question, please do ask, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Alright, so the coffee shop is here. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, can you see? Okay, so this is a simple one. Okay, this is a simple one. We can actually make all the changes more, and all this layout, ladies and gentlemen, for non-programmers, don't worry much. Okay, the objective of building an app is for the purpose of the app. As long as our users can do is a shopping cart, to buy and sell is clear, is okay. But there are people who would like to make more changes, can, but that one you have to be a programmer, which all the layout can change via CSS. Okay, so you see, Katina store is in, that's my address, okay, 11 kilometer is in, and then we have the Americano one, and we have the kopi luwak, because I put just now by product, okay. So I could also put by category, so if by category, they click category, then they see, but we have only two products, so I put just now via product, so we can add on. Do remember, ladies and gentlemen, we did not set any currency. I will show you where to set the currency shortly, okay. We don't want to charge in USD or in euro and so on, ladies and gentlemen, okay. So all these people can order and so on. So let us, okay, so let us now go to marketplace. Yeah. So okay, say I'm a vendor, so I need to now create an account. So let me just put here. Oh, hang on, I must create an account first, okay. Okay, so I put here Kartina, me, put here apps, and because I am a vendor, I'm trying to register myself now here, so I put in a password. Okay, let me put correctly the password or not, I cannot log in myself. Okay, so you see all the privacy policy and so on, all done for you already. Okay, ranking, okay, alright, and save. Oh, password must be at least 6. Okay, thank you for registration. Okay, so what happened is that now I'm a vendor. Okay, now I'm a vendor, so I need to register myself. I want to put my product. Okay, alright. So I'm not Kartina store. Say I'm ABC store. So I'm now creating my store. So I have to put in all the information here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, then we can do additional setting exactly like I did just now, but I'm as the main store owner. But now this is the individual vendors. So individual vendors now put in their detail. Okay, put in their detail. So they can actually add schedule, okay, when are their delivery time and so on, and then they can put in all the charges required, exactly like what I did just now, but now the vendor have to put in their details. So delivery option, they put in their delivery option, then their payment option. So for local payment gateway, we have here bill please, okay. Then the credit card online is actually to checkout, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Also, you can also use Stripe, okay. I like to check out. I'm actually have not yet been approved yet. I'm applying to them, but I like to check out. Why I'm applying? Because they have 100 countries banking FPX. So we are doing that, okay. So that, alright, and then okay. So basically that's how we go about doing that, okay. So let me go back. Alright, let me go back. Okay, let me go back to the store. Okay. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, there's a chat function there, and people can also chat. Okay, so any question, ladies and gentlemen? So basically, that is the marketplace. Okay, took me I think about 30 minutes to share with you. Okay, so what are other things that we need to put in the app builder as usual? Okay, let's go back here. We go to application. Okay, we need to put in our icon. So I'm going to change the icon. So when you are using a template, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that, oops, where is my icon? Where is my icon? Hang on. Microphone. Okay. So you must change. So this is Katina store. Okay. So this is Android push notification, so that we can send push notification. Okay. So this is the default image. Okay, so advisable to also change. Where is my homepage image? Okay. Okay, so we have the startup image, that all the size is here. Then okay, I'm not going to change the image here, okay, but this icon, okay, preferably is to change, okay, preferably is to change, but I just want to show how easy you can do that. Okay, so as you see, this is at the homepage image. Okay, so now this is actually color is white. So say I just change red, you see that's red now. Okay, okay, so the background now is actually transparency. Okay, so let's put in some colors background. Okay, and we put in transparency up, so you see now there is colors already behind that. Okay, so border now is transparency, the image now is actually white. See, if I just want to change a color just to show you, yep, all those are colors. Okay, so let me just show another thing. Okay, if you were to change those tab icon, all these tab icon, I just show one as an example. Easy, right, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, apa lagi permintaan for tomorrow? What type of apps do you want to see to be built? Let's see. Okay, alright, so say I'm going to change this. Okay, that's how we change it. Okay, we have many icon ready for you. Okay, all these are colorized tab icon, and say I'm going to change this to tab icon. Okay, example. Okay, so you can actually create a tab icon and put in. Okay, so you can use the free one, sample one. Okay, there's many options there. Okay, I think we have more than 1000 there, or you can actually put up your own image there and change there. Okay, our app is ready, ladies and gentlemen. 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes. Okay, Cik Hafiz, okay tak Cik Hafiz? Okay, so now let's see, is there any question? Okay, alright, so that's how easy it is being done to create a similar like Lazada and Shopee. Okay, and for all our members, we actually provide them with all of our videos and tutorials. Okay, so example just now Pro, so I'm going here for our users. Okay, current users, what you need to do, you go to Commerce. Where's Commerce Pro? Yeah, okay, okay, so all the manuals is here. Let me just recap. You need to put in the Google Map API. Okay, where do you get the Google Map API? Okay, Google Map API. Alright, yeah, that is how to create the Google Map API. Alright, so you set the Google Map API, you then start playing around and create your Commerce Pro. Okay, so let's go back to our slide. Okay, let's continue. I hope that is clear, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so I have shown to all of you how easy it is to build a similar like Lazada and Shopee. Okay, and I would like now to actually invite all of you to join our program. Okay, our program can be seen in appsmasterbuilder.com. Okay, and this is whereby we have more than 1,000 users already using our platform. Okay, and as I have shown you just now, excuse me, hold on, let me drink some water. There's no coding required, and it's good. Just now I had some issues while I was creating the text, and what do? We just delete, and you see there's no problem at all. Okay, most importantly, in our platform there's no coding required. But if you are programmers, okay, if you have, of course, if you are programmers, you will know HTML, you will know CSS, you can do more things. But for non-programmers, there's no need. I have shown you just now. Did I put any codes? No. There's no need for you to use any coding, and you can build your own e-commerce page. And please go to our webpage appsmasterbuilder.com. You will see we have more than 100 feature pages. All of those in appsmasterbuilder.com are all non-coding. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, it's basically drag and drop. I've showed you just now. Okay, and how are you able to join our program? There is two types of program that we share with our members since COVID-19, because we are not able to actually organize our physical class. And I think it's actually a blessing in disguise with COVID-19, because then we could reach out for more people, because we are based in Kuala Lumpur. Not everybody can come in Kuala Lumpur, and we already have people from Singapore, from Brunei, okay, attending our class. And even before, we had some English, Australian, Nigerian, okay, Papua New Guinea, but majority before they are students who are studying here. But we now have people from other countries attending. Okay, so come, we have two programs which you can join us online. So first program is actually AMB Toolkit. This is DIY. Okay, this is DIY, meaning that you build your own app. Following, what do we give you? Okay, first and foremost, we give you just now the AMB server, the builder. Okay, you are able to actually build apps unlimited. Okay, unlimited. All right. And then after that, okay, we give you the academy with all the manuals, with all the videos, okay, so that you are able to actually follow at home. Okay, learning DIY, you must have a little bit more discipline, okay, but don't worry, we're gonna support you. It's not only videos and manual, okay, we have bug tickets, okay, including Facebook, okay, and also Telegram. Okay, any question you have problem, just ask us. We will be able to assist you, but don't ask me at 3-4 o'clock in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. I need to rest. But the advantage of our program is that we encourage our team members to work as a team. Okay, although we do not know each other, but we help each other. That's something that I encourage, because why? The more we share the knowledge that we have, we implement it, and we help the younger one. Okay, so like for example, now I'm doing Facebook. There are people asking questions in the Telegram group. There are other people answering it. Okay, but please do remember, ladies and gentlemen, our first main bug ticket support is the Telegram. Okay, then after that is the Facebook. Then if you have asked in these two areas, then if there is a need that I have to refer to our programmers, then I will ask you to submit the bug ticket via the email. Okay, then after that, okay, we are not going to leave you like that. Bi-weekly we have our webinar support, okay, at night, Saturday night at 8 o'clock, okay, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Alright, so every twice a month, so it's bi-weekly. We are at your disposal. Ask any question, and we do it over Zoom. While we do it over Zoom, if you have any issues, we are able to actually virtually go into your laptop and assist you. Okay, so then we have some bonuses. Okay, bonuses number 1 is 10 apps development step by step. Okay, why we are doing that? Because there are people who join us. Katina, I do not know what apps to build. Alright, so you just follow the step by step. I've already done it. Complete is more detailed than what we showed just now. Okay, just now we only touch on those 3 pages to create a similar like Lazada and Shopee. But then in the 10 apps step by step, we show you everything from A to Z. Just follow it. Even if you have any ideas to build for your business app, ladies and gentlemen, I always recommend our users go in and test out and use this first, so that you learn the step by step. Then after that, you build your own app. Alright, then what we have is that quick tips on mobile apps creation. Okay, this is targeted for people who do not know what type of apps to build, and they want to actually build app as a passive income. We show a simple research to find what apps are in trend, which you will be able to actually build. Okay, and description. Okay, if you go into Google Play, okay, let me just open Google Play Developer Console. Okay, if we go to Google Play Developer Console, so you cannot see clearly, alright, there are description here. So based on my experience of teaching, people have writing the description. So I share with you how to actually create your description very fast. Okay, alright, okay. So we solve your problem. And another thing that when you start building apps, we have to do graphics. Okay, just now I didn't do any graphic, I didn't do any graphic editing. So we share with you design hacking, how you are able to actually create your own graphic. Okay, if you know, nowadays a lot of people, they know Canva. Okay, some of you more better, you know Adobe Photoshop and so on. If you know, then please do so, use those. But if you do not know, don't worry, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna teach you. Okay, we're gonna teach you. Okay, and we teach you simple way. Alright, this is something that I did before. Okay, and because of COVID-19 and so on, it's a simple book. Okay, to share how to actually winning customers in during the tough time. I actually want to take this out, but because COVID-19 is still here, but let's go, because some people, they are confused. When I share this, people say, hey Katina, you are selling ebook. We are not selling ebook, ladies and gentlemen. These are bonuses. Okay, these are bonuses just for you to read and how to overcome these economy challenges that we are facing now. We give you a full platform system to build apps. Alright, okay. Okay, so and finally what we have an affiliates program. Okay, we have launched the affiliate program, but currently we are working with a small group of our users. Inshallah by next month we are going to launch it to all our other users. So this is something that we believe, because a lot of our users actually share their apps with their friends and so on, and a lot of their friends ask, hey, how did you build apps and so on? So we have this affiliate program, we share with them, then you can also earn commission. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that is the first way of building apps. Okay, thank you Farina. Okay, that is the joining our program, which is do DIY AMB toolkit, and we still give you all the support. But there is another way to join us. Okay, and that is via a webinar workshop. What is the difference between webinar workshop and the AMB toolkit? Basically, the AMB toolkit, you learn via the videos and manuals, and we support you via the webinar support. Okay, 2 hours webinar support, and after that we support you via the Telegram, Facebook, and so on. Okay, webinar workshop is you come and learn with us over 2 days. step by step, and then on the third day you can continue and build your app. So it is much more faster for those people who don't have the discipline to learn themselves, or you already have ideas to build app, you don't want to wait. Come join webinar workshop program. Okay, so what do we have here? What do we teach you, ladies and gentlemen? First and foremost is, okay, I think I missed out one slide. Okay, first and foremost is we share you step by step how to use our app builder. Okay, we share you step by step how to use our app builder. Then after that, we share with you on day 2 step by step on how to publish to Google Play Store. So day 1, we create the app complete. Okay, we in class we are going to do a simple app, either greeting card, wallpaper, travel app, quiz, ebook. There are many topic, directory apps and so on. Don't worry about the topic, ladies and gentlemen. Most importantly, we are teaching you how to do the step by step on day 1, and day 2 we actually now do the step by step to publish to Google Play Store. Alright, then after that we are going to share with you how to do graphics. Okay, we use ipiccy.com. okay, and also we use Gym. Okay, so those are simple tools, free tools that you can get online. There's no need to purchase anything, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, then after that we are going to share with you trademark and copyright. Yes, we're going to share with you how you are able to actually pick up graphics, okay, images that allow for commercial use without need to pay, okay, but nice graphics. And we are going to share with you how do you check whether your app titles, your brand name, especially for those infringe copyright trademark or not. If infringe, how do we go about doing it? Because Google and Apple will not approve. So we share that. Okay, alright. Then after that, we're going to open monetization at mob account. Okay, that is for advertisement. Okay, for example, we create the marketplace, ladies and gentlemen. You could still put in advertisement, okay, but don't put the full page advertisement, just put in the banner. Okay, because banner doesn't disturb your apps. Okay, but never put a full page advertisement. But if you create apps like greeting cards, photo frames, wallpaper, travel, you then put in the full page advertisement because you want to monetize more. Alright, so then we are going to also share with you the trends and future of mobile apps, okay, so that it will motivate you to build more apps. What is it and so on, what the future holds. There's 3.5 billion more smartphone users around the world, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, there's 5 billion mobile phone users, and 3.5 billion is smartphone users. 1.5 are actually the other phones, okay, the older phone, which we call it, I don't somehow slip my mind what is the name, and the future, how the look for features and so on. So we're going to share that with you. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's how you are able to join our class, okay, and learn how to create. One is AMB Toolkit DIY, okay. To get more information, please go to our website appsmasterbuilder.com, or please get more information from members that share you this Facebook live. Because why? Most likely they have joined our program, okay, so they will be able to share with you better. So if you go to appsmasterbuilder.com, you will see the button at the top. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, let me bring this back. Where's my mouse? Okay, let's go back here. I'm going to show you. This is Apps Master Builder. Okay, alright, we go up. Okay, then you will see there's AMB Toolkit. Okay, let me show you. So this is our AMB Toolkit program. Okay, then you could also go back to home. Alright, then you could also go here, and this is the webinar workshop program. Okay, so this is a webinar workshop program. Our next class, ladies and gentlemen, let me just go down. Is 17 January. Okay, there's another 2 more weeks, not this weekend. So if you are free, come and join us. Okay, we don't take too many participants because we want to make sure the quality of our program. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let me see if there is any question. Okay. Okay, let me just check. Okay. Alright, so I don't think, let me just let me open up the comment. Okay. If I want to check the comment, let me see, but then, okay. Okay. Let me see the laptop, my phone. Okay, any question, ladies and gentlemen? Give me just 2 minutes. I just want to check whether there is any question so that I can answer. Tak ada. Okay, hang on, let me check. Okay, I think there's not much question here. Doom. This is the second time we are doing Facebook Live. Okay, let me see where is the business. Just because I cannot see the question. Okay. This one. Okay. Alright. Okay. Comment. Okay, now. Alright, okay. Now I see the... Okay, let me see. Okay. So, no specific question. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, with that, let's end the class. Alright, so with that, I would like to thank you everybody for being with us today. Okay, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we are going to do in Bahasa Malaysia, and we are going to do at 8 o'clock. Okay. Alright, so with that, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.